Hi, I'm Lauren Todigoat. I'm president of Freeloader Products. What I have behind me is a dry cleaning machine that you'll find typically in any dry cleaning plant. A lot of people don't realize this, but dry cleaning machines actually consume a lot of water. This particular machine might consume anywhere from 50 to 100 gallons of water, depending on the load. Other machines being larger than that would consume more. Now you're probably thinking dry. I thought it was dry, no water at all. But the dry cleaning machines use the water for cooling off the refrigeration system. They also use the water for the distillation process as the solvent is being recovered back into the machine. We came up with Freeloader. It's an invention of mine which takes the water that the dry cleaning machine would normally put down the drain, that's money, and it allows you to store that water and reuse it for other things like your laundry, for your boiler feed water, etc. Now that water coming out of the machine is perfectly clean, ready to be used, and I'm going to take you through the basic process of where the water goes through the dry cleaning machine, is stored, and then is reused into the laundry processes and other processes as we come along. We took a look at the front end of the machine. Let's take a look at the business end of things. Where's that water going? Now, in the drying process of the dry cleaning machine, we have a refrigeration system. That refrigeration system is cooled down by incoming city water as it goes through a copper coil in the condenser and then goes back out. For the distillation process, we have another condenser which has a copper coil in it which cools down the solvent, and that water then goes out. The water coming in is quite cold from the city. As it leaves, it's been warmed up substantially, and that's perfect for saving energy. What you need to do is figure out some way of recovering that water, and we've got the solution, and I'm going to show it to you next in the basement. Okay, now we're down in the basement. We're going to take a look at the Freeloader system itself. This particular unit is running right now. You can hear the pumps running. It's filling up the laundry machines and other processes within the plant. As the dry cleaning machine is running upstairs, the water is coming down through this connection which fills directly into the tank. This is a 150-gallon tank, and the dry cleaning machine would probably fill this thing up in about 2 loads. Now it's down at a lower level at the moment because the water, as it's being consumed by the dry cleaning machine, is also then being sent to the laundry. So it's maintaining a good balance here as far as the water being used up. The water then comes into the system, and we'll take a closer look at that. The way the system runs though, as you've seen, it just shut off. In standby mode, it doesn't consume any power. It only comes on when the power is needed, therefore it's a green solution. It's not going to suck back energy while you're waiting for things to happen. It's a very efficient system, and that's been designed from the beginning. Let me introduce you to the heart of the system. This particular model is an FL115S freeloader. We've got the tank, 150 gallons in the back, and we've got a pump module here. Connection of our system is extremely simple. Hook up the tank to the pump. We have city water coming in on one connection, and we have freeloader water going out on another. The system's made from North American components. It's designed to be maintenance-free. In fact, we encourage that you just take this unit, put it off in the basement somewhere, in behind your dry cleaning machine, wherever, and you're not even going to notice that it's there. It's transparent, doesn't require any maintenance. In fact, if the system does shut down, someone's pulled the plug, you're out of power, because there's a city water connection here, you're always going to have water supplied to your processes, whether it's laundry or boiler feed water. There's a switch on top, so you can disable the system for maintenance or any sort of service work you're doing on it, and it will continue providing city water for you. Okay, we had a look at the Freeloader system, and now we're going to take a look at where the water goes to. This is a Renzacci 50-pound washer extractor. All of the water being used here is coming from our Freeloader system. That water has been warmed up by the dry cleaning machine, which is energy saved, which is money, and all of the water is also being used up by this machine. Typically we find that a 50-pound washer extractor uses about the same amount of water as a 50-pound dry cleaning machine. The amount of water and energy saved by using a Freeloader system typically will show a payback on your Freeloader within a year to 2 years. Most of our plants are seeing their water bills cut in half, and their heating of the water has been cut in half as well. It's a tremendous savings to you, which only Freeloader can provide. Now, I would like to take a moment to thank Mike and Azad of Marathon Cleaners for allowing us to use their facility and videotape them here. It's been very gracious of them. And I hope that we can talk in the future about how we can save you a lot of money by putting a freeloader system into your plant. Thank you.